71-500 Hydrocrimp. The patented Hydrocrimp makes crimping barbed and beaded fittings as easy as 1, 2, 3. The lightweight handheld hydraulic press is very portable and ideal for shop and field operations. The kit comes with a complete set of dies covering hose sizes 6, 8, 10, 12 and reduced barrier hose sizes 6, 8, 10 and 12. The dies snap quickly into the press fixture, requiring no pins or screws. Fast and easy to use. Start by selecting the correct size die set. Remove pin and open yoke. Insert die into yoke. Close yoke and insert pin. Position the hose fitting in the center of the die. Turn the body clockwise until the die is snug against the hose fitting. Back up half a turn. Turn the hydraulic valve to the closed position and pump handle until the die comes to a complete stop. Once the crimp is complete, turn the hydraulic valve to the open position to relieve pressure. Turn the body counterclockwise until the lower yoke is fully recessed. Remove the holding pin, open the yoke, and remove the hose.